Hello, my friend. Hope you are well. So basically, you can send me this your Figma file. You can design your UI UX designer this Figma file, your Figma project, but you can convert your WordPress Figma to WordPress website. So now you can send me this Figma file. So basically, you can create this 5 phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But this is 4 phase basically design part. But this phase, okay, you can see this part basically design dynamic part. Okay, you user click this bank and over show result this bank part and create this click this admin and show this admin result. Okay, admin offer. Okay, so now I am create this demo purpose I am create this dynamic section for you. So now check. So basically this my I am create this my local host, my domain hosting. Okay, so basically now I am check this dynamic part. Okay, so now I am searching. So now I am search this subscription. Okay, so subscription. So now I am 3 letters of SUV. So SUV then show no this like this show result. Okay, so you can search any type and automatically show this page or not another page. Okay, so now price range. So I am click this 100 to 1000. So I am click and open this price. This is the 500, 250 and 500 500 basically show these results. And I am remove this filter. So remove this filter and also default face. So now I am basically this is the category. Okay, so now I am create this accounting. So show accounting get offer. And I am clear this banking. So result this banking part, banking get offer. So now I am remove. Okay, so now back into WordPress backend, you can post automatically. You can add another add new get offer. So automatically show this section. Okay, so basically I am create uh, this the struck custom post type. Basically this is the custom post type. And now I am create my WordPress dashboard. So okay, so this custom is this the add a new custom, add a category, and show the all cat stacks, all stacks. So I am create the I am click this all stack. Okay, so I am already post these one this already I am post this offer. Okay, so now you can add this new offer. So add a new stack. Okay, then this is basically title. So I am use this one. Basically I am use this one get. So I am now copy this title. Okay, so wait, now I am copy this title and open new title. So I am paste this title and short description. Basically short description, this short description. Okay, so now 100 1000. So I am paste this get offer link, your button link. So now I am paste my Fiverr user Fiverr profile link. And basically you can paste this range, price range. Okay, so this is the 1000. So I am paste this. I'm write down 1000. And this like this future image. So like this image. Okay, like this image. So I have already Figma file download. So upload my desktop. So input this file and saved. And you can select this category. Okay, you can select this category. I'm select this category and pay published. And now refresh this page. So okay, now I am refresh this page. Okay, this the automatically add this as a section. So I am create. And you can category add new category. You can this category section, then add a new name. Write this category name and add a new category. Thank you so much that watching this video. Have a nice day.